Maid Brigade was the first to use Green Clean certified products, and now we're the first to revolutionize the house cleaning industry with our PUREcleaning system. PUREcleaning is our comprehensive house cleaning system that utilizes electrolyzed water solutions to cut grease, lift residue, and disinfect without the use of toxic chemicals. We eliminate cross-contamination between rooms by using color-coded cleaning cloths, and our HEPA-filtered vacuums are scientifically proven to remove 99.9% of dust and allergens. We are the only maid service in the nation truly disinfecting your home with innovative electrostatic technology to provide 360-degree coverage on high-touch surfaces. Our Pure Mist spray system kills germs, odors, and mold and mildew on contact. And it's certified food safe, so it can be used on all surfaces. Plus, it's safe around your children and your pets. PUREcleaning is the healthiest, most effective home cleaning method that exists. And you deserve a pure environment, exclusively from Maid Brigade.